employment problems. I have some background information I'd like to ask you.
Yes, ma'am.
Name?
Lucille Carmichael.
Address?
The Glen Hall Apartment, 780 North Gower Street.
Age?
Oh, would you mind putting down over 21?
Over 21. Way over. Education?
Yes, I'm a high school graduate, and I had 2 years of business college. Almost.
Perhaps we should give you an aptitude test to find out the type of work for which you're qualified.
All right.
Now, this will be a word association test. I'll mention a word, and then you say whatever word pops into your head.
Mm-hmm.
Summer?
Winter.
Hot?